YouTube, it's Dimitri. Today we're going to be fixing a squeaky fan here on the top of our HVAC outdoor unit here. First things first, pull the switch, or in this case, it's a breaker. So make sure there's no power that goes to this. You'll notice there is an electrical line. This is this black line is. We're just going to pop off the top here and tip it back just so we can get some grease into this fan unit. So let's take these off real quick. All right, as you can see, if you get in here, this is starting to wear out. It probably needs a new fan, but we're gonna just try to get some grease in here for the time being. So we're gonna carefully see if we can pull it a little bit up without stretching these wires too much, and try to get it tipped that way so the gravity pulls the lubricant inside. We'll spin it a little bit. And these things are a little bit sharp, so be careful. If you're curious as well, this I think is a newer fan motor. There's no ports for filling these with grease. I don't see any, at least. And then we're just gonna carefully set this back down and mount it. Carefully slide the electrical hose back in. Just carefully put these screws back in. And then let's turn this on. Electrical back on here at the wall. And then we're going to run inside and turn on the inside unit. So as you can see, the fan is now running smooth, minimal squeaks, no issues. But you do want to check on your fan because it's a key indication that the fan's probably starting to go out, or at least the bearings are. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.